Elon Musk has made an announcement that has shaken the foundations of the entire EV industry. The new battery technology that Tesla has unveiled is not just a technical upgrade, it is the beginning of a new revolution. Musk has made a battery breakthrough that was only imagined for years a reality. Tesla's new condensed battery is now officially revealed. And it's not just about charging speed or battery life, it's about energy density at a level that was only in theory until now. Imagine a full charge in just 15 minutes, and that too with so much power that your car's range doubles. This is no longer a dream. It is now a technological reality. Old battery designs like cylindrical cells and tear-free coatings have now reached new heights. Especially the aluminum-ion technology, which is the backbone of this condensed battery, not only makes charging fast, but also makes its price and durability great. And the biggest question, will this leave Chinese battery companies behind? Are KTL and BYD now in danger? Musk's new move is not just an innovation, but also a strategic one. At a time when there is a deliberate attempt to suppress this information on social media, Musk himself has come forward to reveal this technology. So what exactly is this condensed battery of Tesla? How does it work? And why will it change the direction of the EV market? You will get the answers to all these questions in this video. But before that, if you want to stay at the forefront of the world of technology, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because the information coming ahead can change the way you think. Before we dive into Elon Musk's game-changing battery, let's take a step back in time. When Tesla started, there was a lot of skepticism about electric vehicles. People believed that battery-powered cars would never be as powerful or reliable as petrol or diesel vehicles. But Elon Musk was determined to break this notion. Tesla's real strength lay not in its cars, but in the batteries that powered them. Initially, Tesla worked with Panasonic on traditional lithium-ion cells, the same cylindrical 18650 batteries used in laptops. But Musk knew that if electric cars were to be adopted worldwide, changing car design alone would not do. The battery itself would have to be rethought. In 2016, Tesla made its biggest chess move in the form of the Gigafactory. This decision made it clear that Musk wanted to control battery production on a large scale himself. The goal of the Gigafactory was not just to reduce costs, but to develop the technology to design new batteries and produce them cheaply at scale. That's where the 2,170 cells came from: more energy, better cooling, and longer life. But Elon Musk didn't stop there. At Battery Day 2020, he announced the 4,680 cells, bigger, more powerful, and with a tabless design, a glimpse into the future. The core technology of these batteries has not only changed the size, but the manufacturing process. Energy density and cost have been completely redesigned. And now, in 2025, Tesla has introduced the condensed battery, the fulfillment of Elon Musk's decades-old dream. The condensed battery is not just a new technology, it's the result of a journey that began 15 years ago. It incorporates innovations like aluminum-ion and tabless core design, which have drastically reduced charging times and increased range tremendously. Energy density is so high that you can get more power in less space, and costs are lower than ever before. Tesla has shown that real change happens when you reinvent not just the product, but its soul, the battery. And all of this is due to the vision, passion, and risk-taking ability of Elon Musk. Just imagine if a battery is so powerful that it can cover long distances in a small size, without increasing weight and without heating up. This is the technological miracle that Elon Musk has now brought out in the form of the condensed battery. But what exactly is this condensed battery? Is it just a wordplay, or is there really a big scientific revolution hidden behind it? Let's understand this in very simple language. Actually, the condensed battery is an advanced energy system that Tesla has surpassed the limitations of traditional lithium-ion batteries. Its biggest wonder is high energy density. the ability to store more energy in less space. This means that the range of the car will increase, the battery will be smaller and lighter, and charging will not have to be done again and again. But how is all this possible? The answer lies in a new anode technology, silicon nanowire. While normal batteries use graphite anodes, Tesla has gone beyond that and adopted silicon nanowires, which can hold more lithium ions. This increases the battery's capacity manifold, all while maintaining the same size. But the story doesn't end here. Tesla's condensed battery uses a solid-state electrolyte instead of a liquid one. This is a solid material that transfers electrons inside the battery. It almost eliminates the risk of problems like leakage, overheating, or even blasts. Not only that, a new high-nickel cathode has also been included in this battery, greatly reducing the use of cobalt. Cobalt is not only expensive, but is also considered dangerous for the environment. A high-nickel cathode reduces the cost of the battery and improves both its performance and safety. Elon Musk claims that in the future, these batteries will power not only Tesla cars, but also aerospace, robotics, and energy storage systems. That is, if you thought EV technology had reached its peak, then wait. Condensed batteries are actually the beginning of a revolution that is going to change the rules of the entire auto industry. Now that you understand what Tesla's condensed battery is all about, let's take a look at its secret weapons that take it miles ahead of other batteries. It is not just a technological upgrade, but signals a whole revolution for electric vehicles, energy storage, and even space. First, let's talk about energy density, packing more energy in less space. Tesla's new battery can hold 50% more energy in the same unit volume compared to its 4,680 cells. The direct impact of this is that EVs will now have a longer range than before. Power storage systems in homes will become more reliable, and in the future, this technology can reach airplanes and rockets. The second amazing feature is its fast charging capability. Compared to conventional batteries, this new battery can be fully charged in 70% less time, that too without overheating or any drop in performance. This is possible thanks to its solid-state electrolyte and advanced thermal management system, which handles high currents with ease. This means that your electric vehicle will now be ready as fast as you drink a cup of coffee. The third benefit is longevity, which is what every battery user wants. Due to the silicon nanowire anode and solid electrolyte, this battery is saved from the slow death called dendrites, which typically kill conventional batteries.